Today I'm with the HooSeen impact wrench. So we got our instructions. In here it says it's rated for 2600 RPM and 450 foot-pounds. And here is the impact wrench. So we can see right here, this is a brushless motor. That's important because that means that the motor is going to last longer. It's not going to make that smoke smell that you sometimes get with brushed motors, and it's going to use less power. So brushless is definitely the only way to go. You can see this is a 1/2-inch hog ring anvil, so you can put your socket on in any direction. It's going to go ahead and lock on. We have a very nice rubber grip on here. Strong feel and trigger, forward and reverse. Yeah, it looks okay, a little light there on the front. Comes with a big 4-amp-hour battery. It says 21 volt, standard clip style lock, and it does come fully charged. So it does look like we have speeds here. So this is low, medium, high. Here's our charger. It says it's good for 100 to 240 volts. So it's good for your national or domestic outputs. 1 amp at 21 volts. So it actually looks like it comes with some sockets. We got a 17, 19, 21, 22, and 24. So I'll be able to take off pretty much any metric lug nut that you can come across. These are all deep well sockets, and they are all drilled out on the corner, so it's going to be good for off-corner loading. I also like seeing they're all 6-point, and the hex goes pretty much all the way to the bottom of that socket. They are 1/2-inch drive, and they have a hole that goes all the way through. They actually included pins and O-rings. So with this, we can take our O-ring, put it around our socket, and because our anvil has a hole through it, we can line up the hole for our socket. Then we can drop a pin in, and that O-ring will hold that pin together. So this way, no matter what you do, you won't be able to pop that socket off. So it's very nice that they made it so it accommodates that. This is cool. So they actually included a swivel adapter. So that way, if you need to take one of these and bend it around a corner, you'll be able to do that even while it is bent. Very nice that they included that. And I can appreciate that that light actually stays on for a while after you release the trigger. So it does. So yeah, if you need some heavy duty torque, that is going to be an excellent tool for that.